Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 活 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write 活 alive, living, work. For example, 生活 life, activity. Is life always this hard?生活总是这么艰难吗？总是 always 这么艰难吗 hard 生活 life 总是这么 this hard 生活总是这么艰难吗？ Is life always this hard? 生活总是这么艰难吗？ My daily handwriting on the character 活活 alive, living, work 生活 life, activity. Is life always this hard? 生活总是这么艰难吗？活 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 活. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.